What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today we are going to be doing the install for iOS 17.3.1. So let's get into it. Open up your settings, and as you can see at the top, it says software update available. But if you do not see that, you can scroll down to general and select that, and then select software update, and it will show you right there. So for this update specifically, this update provides bug fixes to your iPhone, including text may unexpectedly duplicate or overlap while typing. So that is what this specific update is fixing. So yeah, if you want to install, just select install now. But if you want to install later, you have that option as well. So if you click to install tonight, it will actually wait until your phone is locked and your phone is on the charger or at least 50% charged. So you also have that option. But if you are ready to install now, you click install, and it is actually going to download. And once it finishes the download, it is going to begin the update, the software update. So it's going to verify the update, and then it's going to go ahead and take you through a series of reboots and install the software update. Now, once it is finished, it will take you to your home screen and it'll look just like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.